y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and today I'm going to be doing a drugstore wash day. So let's get into it. So I wanted to do this wash day of all, not only drugstore products, but drugstore tools, because I firmly believe, and I have said this to y'all before, it's not about how much your products cost, how expensive they are, if they're the top of the line, all of this stuff. I feel like it's truly about like what you know how to do with them and your technique. I've done dollar store wash days on here. Should I do that again? Should I bring that back? Would that be fun? I might do that again. We're using the L'Oreal Everpure bond strengthening system today. It kind of is giving me Olaplex bonding system, but at drugstore prices vibes. So we're into that. This will be my first time using this. The review of that might go up before this, might go up after. Check down the description bar, because if it's already up, I will have it down there for you guys. And then I'm switching up. I'm not using my same leave-in or anything today. I am using the Kristen S Blow Dry Mist. This is their ultra lightweight split end smoothing shine enhancing, and it also is heat protecting up to 450 degrees. Y'all always be like, where the heat protecting at? It be in the products, y'all. Just saying. And I will say almost everything here was gifted to me. I did not purchase any of this stuff. I always like to be transparent about that. Then we're going to be using the Kristen S Weightless Shine Working Serum to replace our Verb serum. And then I have two hairsprays here. I've shared this one with you guys before. This is the Heritage by Mindy Soak It Up Dry Conditioner. I'm only going to use like a touch of this. I remember that I used to like using this on wash day, like here and there. So I brought it back out. And then this is the Kristen S Signature Finishing Hairspray. Brushable finish style setting. It says medium hold, so I'm going to go very, very light on this. And my blow dryer, it's plugged in right now. Can I pull it? It's the Heritage by Mindy Blow Dryer. I love the gray and gold colorway. Y'all used to see me use this all the time. And I will just say one disclaimer here. It's not that I dislike this blow dryer and that's why I don't use it anymore. It does a really good job. There's nothing wrong with this blow dryer. Anytime you guys ask me for a suggestion for affordable blow dryers, I'm almost always suggesting this one. I always get so many questions about this brush. Y'all are like literally in a trance fascinated by this brush. This is a Heritage by Mindy brush. You see how it matches? You can get the whole little set if you want. And then for my flat iron, I'm not going to be using the GHD. I know before I've done like drugstore or like different like affordable type of tutorials, and then I'll be like, but this one I'm going to use like my regular thing. No, I'm gonna do it all the way this time. This is the Heritage by Mindy. I think it's called their 3-in-1 styler. I'm not sure, but it's a straightener. But you see how it also has a lever like a curling iron. I was low-key looking for my Heritage by Mindy curling iron because I know I have it. I've seen it here in my house recently. I cannot find it for the life of me. But this like straightens your hair, but it also, you see these vents on here, you can turn it on, turn on like this heated fan that'll like help curl your hair if you have hair wrapped around this barrel. So it kind of acts as a curling iron too. So I'm going to use this today to straighten my hair. And then I'm also going to be trying again some some rollers. I don't know what you call them. They're not foam rollers. They're the sticky ones, like the Velcro-y ones. Open. I'm going to try these again because I just see so many people using them and I'm like, I gotta be doing something wrong. I have to be doing something wrong. Like they have to work to a certain degree. Those are all the products I'm using today. You'll have everything linked down in the description bar for you. So let's get into our wash day. Okay, so this is our finished look with our hair all done. I left my rollers in for about like, I was planning on doing like 20 to 30 minutes, but I ended up doing like, I don't know, like 10 minutes maybe, if that. I feel like it came out really good. I've told y'all this before, I'll tell you again, like I don't think you need to have super expensive products or hair tools to get the look that you want, to get like a salon look at home. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.